Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your watch, or rather from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see a health page. Now tap on the devices to open the devices page, and on it you should see your HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro. Tap on it to select it. Here, scroll down and find the option called notifications. Once you find it, tap on it. Enable the notifications by tapping on the switch. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see a couple of pop-ups about permissions. Allow them, and you may see this page too. Basically, we need to tap on screen, scroll down through the device and app notifications, find the HUAWEI Health app, tap on it, tap on the allow notification access, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, you can tap on back button. And once you go back to the HUAWEI Health app, you will see that the notifications will be enabled. And now we can enable and disable notifications for specific apps, for each app on our phone. And how it works is basically, if you turn on notifications for a certain app, for example, the Discord, and you receive that notification from that app on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable this right here, you will see the notification on your phone, but it won't be forwarded to your watch. That's how it works. So enable the notifications for the apps you like. And once you're done, go back to the device page. And I believe we can close the app now and we should be able to receive the notifications. I enabled the notifications for Discord, so I'm gonna check if I'm logged in. I am not, so I'm gonna log in into Discord, send myself a message to see if it's working. Okay, we are logged in, so now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And here's the notification on our phone. Let's check the watch. I'm gonna swipe up on the screen to open the notification panel. And as you can see here, we have our notification. And you can read it, you can tap on it to open it. You can remove it by tapping on bin icon. And you can also clear all of the notifications if you have a bin icon right here. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.